Yeah, drive us, drive. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What was the time, Seth? God, headache. Especially when I bend down. Ah, God, I miss you. I'm really I'm very weak. But you said I cannot stop my shine this morning. And it cannot stop me from going to the market. Because it's... motherhood no be here. Oh. Being a wife is not easy. My mom did not explain this thing well to me. She did not explain it well. I was thinking if I might, I will not be cooking. I'll just be sitting like a princess. They will cook and serve me. So plus I wish marriage is like relationship. Makagene. Because guys, relationship is sweet past marriage. Relationship sweet like sugar past marriage. My advice to those that are still dating, that are still on dating zone, date and well. With I talk, date that person well, because before you consider getting married, way plus when kiss, when you start involving children, when you start giving birth, you will shout, you go shout tire, you go shout tire. As I'm talking to you now, my kids are in the other room. I had to lock myself in my husband's room because I don't need their wahara this morning. Oh, you'll be hearing, mommy, Alex beats me, oh, mommy, Alex do this one, oh, mommy, complain everywhere. And then whether because of the shouting what I do yesterday, I make this headache. Can't be very serious this morning. I overstressed myself yesterday night, all in the name of shouting. You go shout for this one. This one was like, guys, oh no. Please, comment section. How do you guys cope? Mothers, how do you guys cope? Like, tell me what works for you. So like I can learn. So I can learn and start smiling. Tell me what works for you, because my own kids. Because this mama boys of 18 is really, I'm really going crazy. My house now, boys full this house. And you go shout, tire. But then like the same thing applies to girl child as well. It's not easy, oh. It's not easy. I beg. Back to the what I have for today. So as I was saying, today is Saturday and I'll go to the market. I'll be going to the market this morning. I'm already cooking for my kids because I will not be carrying them to the market. My girl will take care of them for me. So I'm cooking soup today. I don't even know the soup that I want to prepare. Oha soup. If you're able, you know what I mean by oha soup. I want to prepare Anambra oha soup, the one that my mother taught me. My mom is from Anambra, so I want to be preparing oha today, but I'm not that sure. Is it that oha or ofede? That is onubu soup, bitter leaf soup, correct Anambra bitter leaf soup, or I'll prepare okra vegetable. Yeah. So let me go and check what I have on the fire, and yeah, this one. Horse. Clap for yourself. Good boy. What is this one? House. House. Good boy. Clap for yourself. I color it. Color the house. House. Yes. Color it. Make it fine, yeah? Let it be beautiful.
Cat. Motor.
Car.
Cow. Cake.
A is for
Apple.
B is for
Ball.
C is for
Cat.
D is for
Dog.
E is for
Egg.
F is for
Fish.
G is for
Goat.
H is for
Ass.
I is for
Pig.
J is for
Ass.
no jog.
Dog.
K is for Jason, where's your crayon? What color is that? Good boy. Color it. Color yellow. Use your right hand now, please. Use your right hand. Color. Good boy. Color it.
What is it now?
Awesome. Do like lion.
What?
Cat.
Wow.
No, cat.
Meow.
Meow. Dog.
Dog.
Woo, 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 woo. If this is your first time watching my videos, my name is OC Jenny and I base in Ughelli, Delta State. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, thank you as well for always turning up for your girl, for always watching our videos. Please guys, subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it very interesting. Thank you. This natural light is giving. Our normal light is no. If you close the curtain, that's enough. Once you close the curtain, everywhere will not be bright. So I'm close to my window. I can't wait to repair my ring light. I can't wait to repair my ring light. My son actually spoiled that ring light. Just pushed it down. But these kids will not kill me. You don't even know how much I bought that ring. I bought that ring light, I think 3 years ago. Yes, 3 years ago, and I've been using it. It has been sound, but I had to push my ring light to my brothers and sisters. And right now, I don't even know how or where I can buy the cord that I'm using to attach to the ring light for it to light. So that's the challenges I'm having right now. That is why all my videos are not really bright. I'm just kind of using the natural light, and even the natural light is not that bad. So guys, I went to the market today and bought some few things. I didn't really buy the oha that as I mentioned in this video, I didn't buy the oha again because of I didn't see fresh oha in the market. So I had to buy what is it called? I had to buy vegetable and bitter leaf. So I'm cooking vegetable soup and bitter leaf soup because what to do now? So I went to the shop to pick my kids because I left them there. I took them along, but I didn't carry them to the market. I had to drop them with my husband. So they stayed at the shop while I went to the market to buy some few things. I'm so tired. Since I came back, I've been sleeping. Since I came back from the market, I've been sleeping. And when I came back from the market, I had to attend to my son. It is a homework. So that particular guy that you guys saw in that video is the one that spoiled the ring light. I don't even know what I'll do to that boy. Whether I should buy Koboko. Oh my god! I've been sleeping. So tired. I've been sleeping. Let me just go and cook this food right now and rest So I know that before 6 I'm done with the cooking because I'm cooking 2 soup. I'll cook small pepper soup for my husband, just little pepper soup for my husband when he comes back. So guys, let me go to the kitchen. Be a mother, no easy, no easy. Just look at the water leaf that I bought 300 naira, guys. Oh my, Nigeria. I had to buy ogo of, I think 1,000 naira ogo. Just this small ogo, 1K. It is well, oh. So guys, this is me cooking the vegetable soup. I've already processed everything, and I had to put my meat, the whole boboero. Then I made this soup, guys. But it's just small, because I could not afford to buy ogo of 2,000 naira and cooking only vegetable soup while I was. Look at my ofo onubu, guys. See the correct onubu what they tell you now. The ogiri wey dey the soup, if I open my mouth and tell you the ogiri that is inside this soup, it can drive your own enemies away. All those witches and wizards, ogiri ayeshibu, I to drive them away. I couldn't video the whole process because I was very tired and my battery was down, and the light, I told you guys that my ring light is very bad. So I promise that maybe next time I will show you guys how I prepared this bitter leaf soup. Okay, so guys, I'm really grateful if you watched to this point. Thank you so much for, always turning up and watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And for those of you that have not yet turned on your notification bell, please try as much as possible to do that, so that whenever I post my videos, you can be able to, get the alert. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.